In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your shift knob adapter and extension for Logitech shifters. The only tools you will need is a small flat head and a Phillips head screwdriver. This will also work on the PX9 shifters. You will need your shift knob and your little adapter kit that comes with it. The first thing you're going to do is take the adapter out of the kit. You're going to have the adapter itself, your stud that allows your shift knob to go onto the adapter, and a small set screw. First thing you're going to do is take your small flathead and pry up the little silver cover that's on the top of your existing shift knob. It pops right off just like that. And inside the hole in the center of the shift knob, there's a Phillips head screw. You're going to want to loosen that. And once that is loosened, it'll come right off. You can see the stud on the shift base is keyed. There's a flat edge to it, just like on your included adapter. So you're going to line up the flat edge and press it on there. It may be a little firm, but it's designed that way. And then you're going to take your small set screw included in your adapter kit. It's also a Phillips head screw. Drop it down in the middle of the adapter into the hole and go ahead and tighten. Once that's tight, you're going to take your stud that came in your adapter kit. This goes into the bottom of your shift knob. This goes into any custom style or regular shift knob or budget shifter off of the website, as well as most aftermarket shift knobs. There are a few that don't have this thread on the bottom. This thread is a 1/2 inch by 13. So if you're buying it for another shift knob that you have, you need to check the thread pattern on the bottom of your shift knob. That nut there is just a jam nut so that you can orient the shift knob facing the correct way once it's all installed. And all you're going to do is, once you put it into the bottom of the shifter first, I recommend doing that first to keep from messing up the wires. You're going to spin it right onto the adapter just like that. Installing the extension on the Logitech or PX9 is very similar. We're going to start from scratch here. Once again, you're going to pry up the little silver cover. Inside is a Phillips head screw. You're going to loosen that. And once that's loosened, the knob will come right off, and you're going to open up your adapter kit that came with your extension. There's a large screw going through it horizontally and one screw going inside of the center vertically. It's going to come assembled like this. You're going to take the nut off of the long screw and push that out and remove it. You can go ahead and leave the screw in there. You're going to line up the flat edge of the circle with the flat edge on your Logitech shifter. Press it down on there. It may be a little tight. It's designed that way. And you're going to tighten the set screw inside of it. Once that's tight, you can check it to make sure there's no play. And then you're going to insert the bottom of your extension and line up the holes on the extension with the holes on the adapter. And once those are lined up, you're going to slide the bolt right through and then put the nut on the other side. And for instructional purposes, I did not tighten this all the way, so you'll see a little bit of play in the extension, but if you tighten it all the way, it takes that play out of it. But yeah, that's all there is to it. And then the stud that's left over, you're going to put in the bottom of your shift knob. And once again, this is 1/2 inch by 13 thread. It'll go onto any Eaton shifter or shift knob off of the site, and it'll go into most aftermarket shift knobs, not all of them. I recommend putting the stud into the bottom of the shift knob first, and then putting it on top of the extension.